Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to a new Yo Gava Gava video. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to make AirPods for basically free. All you'll need is some regular Apple earbuds and scissors. So let's get started. Step 1 is to cut the earbud. The closer to the edge, the better sound quality. From past experience, I know. So you just want to make it very precise cut. As you can see here, right up to the edge. And it might take a couple cuts, but you'll get it soon enough. There we go, we got it. There's just some strings left that we could get out later. Now we go for the other one. Hopefully it's not as difficult as the last time. Out again, yep. So once you cut them from the wire, all you pretty much have to do is connect them to your Apple device and you should be good to go, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified every time we post a new video. We make very high quality videos. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Peace.